What's going on, guys? Today we're going to show you how to replace your DEF dosing valve in a packed car engine. You guys stick around. You might want to watch this because this is going to save you some money. And if you've got an emissions truck that's got DEF on it, eventually you're going to need to do it. So let's get to it. Alright guys, what we have here is a 2014 Kenworth T660 with a packed car engine in it. The truck come in with some emissions codes in it, and the DEF light was flashing, so we narrowed it down and we found out that the DEF dosing valve was bad in this truck. So first thing you got to do is take your steps off here. It's 6 bolts, 3 on the top step, 3 on the bottom step. I believe it's a 15 millimeter that fits those bolts. Take them out, set it off. And for demonstration purposes on this, the side skirt is here. We took the side skirt off so it's easier for you to view what's going on here. There's also a brace that runs from here to down there, which is laying right here now. We've taken that off so we can pull the DEF dosing valve out. So Wild Bill is going to show you how to do this, and it's not too bad a job. First thing is just, of course, unplug your wire here, and we'll go from there.
All right, on these plugs here, these are like a pinch together type. You'll pinch both sides of it together. Just pulls right off of there. And these are supposed to be the same way. Can be a little aggravating at times.
They got like little ears on them you squeeze together and it separates on the back side and that allows them to pop off.
Just in case.
Well, 10 millimeter.
Yep.
Alright, so there's your dosing valve. Turn it. You can see it's got a little crud on it. Not too awful bad. As you can see, there's some crud buildage up right there. So we're going to clean all that stuff up real good. And we'll show you guys what to do next. Alright guys, here we go. Here's going to be the part number for your new DEF doser valve. And there's 2 style gaskets. This is the old style, which is not the right one for this one, but if that's what your truck takes, right there's your part number. And there's the new style gasket, and here is your part number for that, and I'm going to show you the difference. Like I say, this is the new style gasket what our truck takes, and you can see it's made onto the gasket plate itself. or this one, the gasket plate, and then it takes this little fiberglass type material that goes in there to make the cone shape. So here is what your new dosher valve will look like when you take it out of the box. It's made by Bosch, and right here is the part number in case you guys want to cross-reference it and buy it somewhere else besides a Peterbilt dealer or a Kenworth dealer. There you go. So Wild Bill is going to show you how all of this good stuff goes back together, and that way you can do it yourself and save a bundle of money. Because it's always good saving a bundle of money, ain't it, Bill?
Yes, sir.
Kind of like Geico.
All right. If you look at this gasket, it's sticking out right here on this side, and this side is kind of beveled in. This goes up or towards you with the part numbers facing towards you. See how that's kind of beveled?
It's got a cone shape.
Fits good.
Alright, as you guys can see, we've got our surface prepped. It's all good and clean, and all the old crusty, gunky, what do you call that, crystallized shit is off there.
And these bolts are 10 millimeter.
10 millimeters. And just remember, guys, when you got to tighten that back up, as the British folks say, that's aluminium, another part steel, so be easy, breezy, beautiful cover girl with that, and don't go all He-Man and crack your new dosher. Because then you're going to have a bad day.
I don't have an extra $360 something to throw away myself.
That's true. In case you're wondering what the part cost, I think it was $363, I believe.
I believe you're right.
And then, you remember how much the gasket was?
Gasket, that gasket was $35.
Alright, so then you're going to plug your lines back in it, your def line back in it, your plug back on it. And that's pretty much the gist of it. Make sure they lock on and on there. Put your def line back on. You get your plug back on it, and then you'll be ready to start putting your side skirts and your steps back on. And that's how you replace a dosher valve, guys. Like always, if you like this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up. Subscribe right down here below. We will catch you guys next time. Hope y'all learned something. You do it yourself, save some money. Hit that subscribe button. It's free, don't cost you anything. If you like these types of videos, be sure to go to check out our awesome playlist, Truck Fixing, and save yourself a bucket full of cash. You guys take care. Catch you next time.